everyone. So today we will learn about Excel line graph and why we need line graph. So line graph basically we use if we have to do comparison between two values over a same period of time. Suppose we have 2 years and we have to compare between the trends regarding a product or about some data. So that's why we use trend lines in Excel. So let's get started.
Okay, so this is the data I have, the weekly call data, and in these columns B and C, it is year 2021 and 2022, how many calls we have received. Okay, so I will show you how we can create this as line graph as we have to compare between 2 years. Okay, let me formatize that. So line graph also we have to plot the graph. It is similar. I have showed in my previous video how we can put the bar charts. So in line graph also we have to select the data. Okay, then we will go to insert, and this is the line chart. Okay, so in line chart we will click this one simply, and it will ask me that which chart you want to flow it. This is 3D area chart. Okay, and this is 3D line, 2D line. So I am preparing this one only. Okay, so if you see this one, so similarly in the top this is the chart title, so anything I can put here as per the requirement. I will put call data yearly because I am comparing between 2 years. So these is very helpful line chart basically if you have to present some data in form of comparisons. Okay, so I have filled it. So this is here, and similarly once you go here and you can go to chart design also. So similarly it will ask you that how you want to show the chart design. So it will be visible like this. Okay, and now if I want to put the numbers here in this dotted line, if you see, okay, it is showing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So how I can do, I will click on this chart elements. So in chart elements I will click data labels. So it will similarly show here that 456, 489. So if you see on Wednesday, we have in 2021 I have 456 and 489 on the 2022. And even if you click here, it will automatically show this that series year 2022 Wednesday value is 489. Okay, and now if you want to put trend line, you can put trend line also. So yeah, it is showing that, okay, it is showing trend line, so calls are increasing. So it is for year 2021, and you can create for another also, like um, if you want to create, so 2022 also I can create, so it will show for 2022. Okay, so like this we can do. And now if I want to like these pointers, once you click here, okay, so if you click here, this will automatically, what we have to do, suppose I have this data entered, right, and you want to manually enter every day one thing. Suppose till this date it is done, next date is Saturday, I will click this, that this is Sunday, and suppose I have done the entry for 348, and for year 2022 I put 560. Okay, so if you see it is not updated here. So if you want to update, what you can do, you just have to simply click on that graph. Once you click this, you can see here this has been highlighted, so you can drag it. See, I have dragged it. Okay, see, automatically it took it. Similarly, I will click on the next column and it will ask me to drag this, and see, it is dragged. Okay, and similarly you can drag now. Okay, now you can drag here also. See, so okay, see, So here Sunday has been added also. So like this you can drag your data also. This is one thing. And another way I've shown you, either what you can do, suppose I have written this. Okay, this took me some time. Suppose I am entering some random value. I just put it fill series. So it will automatically take it to the ascending order. Guys, if you haven't watched my video on fill series, please watch it also. This is very useful and you will learn lots of things here. I will put the link in the video also. Okay, so I will put this, and what I can do, I will click this, and now I have data updated till here. What I will do, I will go to the filter, I will go to select data. Once it is done, you can see this running bars. It is showing that it is selected till 13, from 6 to 13 through only. So what I can do, I will select till here and I will click OK, and see, automatically my graph has been extended. So this is how you can do it here also. Now let's go to another things. Okay, so if once you do double click on the chart, this format chart area will be open here. Okay, so if you click on this effects, so you can create effects also. Okay, so suppose I want to put these. Okay, so I will put the color here like this. Okay, let me drag this chart here. Okay, so let me go here. Uh, okay, I will click here, and you can see I have clicked on the line. Okay, so it will open this thing marker. So if you click on the marker, you can click this built-in. So built-in is showing this type, so you can put this cross also. Okay, see, it will be cross now. See, I have put for here also. Okay, if you want to put for the whole line, just click one time. Okay, on the whole line, see, 1 2 3, everything is selected. Okay, so yeah, so you can do one thing. So you will go to soft edges. Okay, yeah, in the marker. Okay, so I will go to marker option, and I will put everything as built-in, and in built-in I want cross. So, and I will increase it. Okay, now you see everything is cross. Okay, you can change it here. Similarly, if I want to do for here, okay, I will click on this paint option, go to marker, and I want to show it differently. I will click on built-in, and I will put it as, suppose, this one. Okay, and I will increase the size also, so we can do this also. So see, here it is done. So this is how you can do this also. Okay, and if I have to change anything in the lines, so you can do from here also. Okay, so suppose this line is selected, I want it as green color, so I will click green, and you can see it is in green color. Okay, so again I will click here. Suppose I want to increase the width of the line also, so you can put the big width also here. Okay, and from here you can put it as dash type or what type you want. So you can do lots of changes from here also. Similarly, let me do for here. So I want it as this, and I will make it as this. Okay, so see, so this has been changed also. So these are the things you can use. Okay, and now to change the type in the background also. So you can use this now to for the glow. So once I click here, so you can see this shiny background has been increased here. And if I want it as different colors, I want it as some little greenish, so you see here. So it is changed here. Okay, so this you can increase also from here, like I want it more. And transparency also it is asking, I want it more dark, so it will get more dark. And now this edges also, so I can put some edges also. So inside this graph also this will create some edges. And then this thing, so you can put these things also. If I click here, so you can see it's very low, it is visible. But you can see here is some differences also created. So you can make with these tool set very shiny to these ones, to these graphs. And from here you can increase the width and the size of the chart. But anyways that you can create from here also, so that doesn't create any much difference. So from here these tools you can do lots of alignments also. And there is one thing also, I will show you. Like you can now put text box also. So how you can put, you can click some text box here. Okay, so if I click text box, so I can put some text box also here. So I can write anything. Suppose I put line graph is constant here. Okay, constant here. So here line graph is constant. And you can put some symbols also here. So you can go to illustrations, you can go to shapes. So suppose I have written this one, so what I will do to make it more so I will put this, see. So I have put this. So if I present this one, I can drag it also, that here on this day line has been very stagnant. So you can do lots of things. And if yeah, and for illustrations also I have created videos already. So this helps a lot, guys, trust me. This thing illustration helped a lot to make your presentations very trendy. So that's it for today regarding line graph. In next my video, I will come up with the this pie chart, or some what do you call it as donut chart. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you will get my videos timely whenever I upload them. Thanks a lot, guys.